I think we should start now. Okay, guys, we were discussing about the exercise 2C, and Abdullah Tajammal, let me ask you some questions. Abdullah Tajammal, if we multiply a positive value to a negative value, what would be the answer? The answer would be positive or negative?
Sir, negative.
If we multiply two negative values by each other, what would be the answer? Positive or negative?
सर दोबारा बताएं.
If
सर
we
दोबारा
multi
पूछे.
if we multiply two negative values with each other, what would be the answer? Positive or negative?
Positive.
Very good, very good,
Positive.
very good. And if we divide one positive and one negative value, what would be the answer?
Positive.
If we divide one positive and one negative value, what would be the answer?
Negative.
Negative. And if we divide two negative values
Yes,
with each
negative.
other, then
And positive.
positive. Okay?
Then positive.
Okay, now you got it perfectly. Move towards the.
Positive.
Very good, Mera Bacha. Okay, guys. Now moving towards question number 4. Okay? Can you see question number 4?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wait. Okay, guys. Question number 4, we are going to discuss question number 4. And question number 4 tells me that evaluate each of the following where possible.
It's not possible. This year.
This is the question. Evaluate each of the following where possible. Can you see the one note?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we need to check basically the square root of different values. Beta, kindly use your own name. Use your own name, please. Kindly use your own name. Miss Sayyida, kindly use your own name because I need to mark attendance and I don't know anyone in my list with the name of which you are showing right now. So kindly please use your own name. Okay, guys. In this question, basically we need to find the square root of these values where possible. Okay.
पानी दे दे.
Okay, so starting from under root 81, first of all we need to find the square root of 81 and we know that in order to find the
Smart
square root, first,
notions.
yes you may, लेकिन जल्दी वापस आना बेटा. In order to find the square root, we need to find the prime factors of any value. So right now we have a value that is 81 and we need to find the prime factors of 81. So we should start from जी बेटा बोलिए. बेटा रेज हैंड का ऑप्शन यूज किया, बोलिए. Good, Asnan. Thank you so much, Asnan. Okay, guys, we are going to discuss. We are going to take sorry, square root of 81, and before going to take square root, first of all we need to find the prime factors of 81. So 81 is not an even number, so we cannot divide it by 2. So which number should we use here?
3.
3. Very good. And what would be the answer if I divide it by 3?
Answer is
27.
G.
Now 27 is not an even number, so we cannot use 2 here. So which number should we use here?
3.
3. So 3 times 9, 27. Then 3 times
Three.
3
3.
and 9 plus.
1 and 1.
It means the prime factors of 81 are, the prime factors of 81 are
3 multiply by 3
81
multiply by 3 multiply.
equals to 3. Wait for a
4.
while. 8 minutes. 8 minutes.
Allah.
8
3
minutes.
multiply by 3.
Very good. 3 multiply by 3. Then multiply
Multiply by
by
3.
3. Then multiply by
Multiply by 3.
3. Got it? So we can use it. We can write it like this. Under root 81 equals to under root 3 times 3 times 3 and times 3. While we write it according to index notation, we can write it like this. 3 raised to a square multiply 3 raised to a square. And further on we can write it like this. 3 raised to a square under root multiply by 3 under root square. And square root would be cancelled from the square value, so the answer would be 3 multiplied by 3. It means the square root of 81 is 9. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now you need to acha. What would be the square root of 4? What would be the square root of 4? What would be the square root of 4? Can you find the square root of 4? Hurry up, quickly.
Yes, sir. Sir, मैं
Solve it quickly, quickly, quickly. Hurry up, hurry up.
square root of 4.
Square root of 4. जल्दी 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 square root of 4. What would be the prime factors of 4? What would be the prime factors of 4?
Sir, 2, 2.
Very good. And what when we write these 2 and 2
Sir,
in
2,
index,
2.
exactly, we can write it like this. 4 into 2 by 2. And when we write these values in index notation, they can be written like this. 2 ka square and 2 ka square equals to 2. It means the square root of 4 equals to 2. Got it? Is there any confusion? Beta, is there any confusion? Walaikum assalam. Is there any confusion?
No,
Okay,
sir.
guys. Moving towards the next part. First of all, I would like to solve minus under root 9. देखो बेटा यहाँ एक चीज समझ लो. Points to remember. Abdullah Tajammal, don't do it. Okay, guys. Points to remember.
Abdullah.
Number 1. Whenever any value written, whenever any negative value
बैठा हुआ है बहुत अब्दुल्ला भाई भी बैठा हुआ है
written inside the square root sign
मेरी क्या बता
its solution is impossible. Keep this thing in your mind. If you have any value, any negative value inside the square root prime, Abdul Rahman, whenever you can see any value that is negative and written inside the square root, its solution is impossible. But keep this thing in your mind, only the negative value written inside the square root. If the negative value is written inside the square root, its solution is impossible. So if I ask you to solve under root minus 36, can you solve it? If I ask
No,
you
sir.
to solve under root minus 36, because under root minus 36 is not a real number, it is an imaginary number and we cannot solve it. So its solution is impossible. Its solution is
Impossible.
But if a negative sign is written outside the square root, then we can find the square root easily. Why? Let me tell you. We have a part that is part C, and in part C we have a value that is minus under root 9. Now you can see the negative sign is written outside the bracket. The negative sign is written outside the square root, so we can find its prime factors easily. So what are the prime factors of 9? Hurry up. What are the prime factors of 9? Beta, what are the prime factors of 9?
3.
3, 3. Very good. So we can write it like this, mera bacha. Like
Thumb
3 multiply by 3. Or in index notation, we can write it like this. 3 ka square. But keep this thing in your mind that the negative sign is written outside the square root sign. When you solve it, your answer would be minus.
तुम खेल में लगाया हुआ है क्या? ये तुम उनकी क्लास में क्यों घुसे हुए हो? निकलो वहां से।
Got it? So the thing is that you just keep this in your mind that whenever you see a negative value that is written inside the square root, its solution is impossible. But if you see a positive value inside the square root but a negative sign outside the square root, then its solution is possible. Keep these two things in your mind. If you have seen a negative value written inside the square root sign, its solution is impossible. Whenever you see a positive value written inside the square but a negative sign written outside the square root, then its solution is possible. You can find out the square root of that value. Got it? You just need to keep these things in your mind while solving these kind of questions. Is there any problem now?
No.
Got it? आगे बढ़ते हैं.
No, sir.
Very good. Now again moving towards the question, we have question number 5, evaluate each of the following. So I can copy this question to the OneNote so we can solve it easily. This is the question now, evaluate each of the following. First of all, we have a value that is minus 2 whole cube. So we can write it like this, minus 2 की power whole cube. What does it mean? It means minus 2 should be multiplied 3 times with each other. So we can write it like this. Minus 2 multiply by minus 2 multiply by minus 2. So what would be the answer of this value? First of all, count the negative sign in this value. Count the negative sign in this value. How many negative signs we have?
3. मैं 4 4.
नहीं इसके अंदर सिर्फ इसमें देखो.
3.
How many negative signs we have? 3. Is 3 even or odd number?
3.
Is 3 an even or odd number? Odd. And
Odd.
yesterday we have discussed that if an equation has
Have negative.
odd number of sign, then its answer will be negative. And finally, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, what would be the answer?
9.
2 multiplied by
6.
2, 4.
6.
6. Wow, great answer. 6 add नहीं करना, multiply करना है. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 4 multiplied by 2, 8.
minus 2 minus 8.
Got it? So, whenever we have negative sign in odd quantity, the answer will be negative. Whenever we have negative sign in even quantity, the answer will be positive. Now moving towards the part B. Now I'm going to solve part B, and in part B we have a question that is equals to minus 5 whole cube. Minus 5 whole cube means you need to multiply minus 5 3 times. You need to multiply minus 5 3 times. So minus 5 multiply by minus 5 multiply by minus 5. So minus 5 minus 5 minus 5. So how many negative signs can you see here? 3. 3 is in even number or odd number?
Odd.
So final answer would be negative or positive?
Negative.
Very good. And 5 times 5, 25, and 25 times 5, 125. So the answer would be minus 125. Got it?
Minus 120.
Very good. Now you
Yes
need
sir, got it.
जी बोलिए. बोलिए बेटा. Beta Hasnan, it is better for you to mute yourself or leave the class. Choice is entirely yours. Good. Okay, guys. Moving towards the next question, and
सर माइक में प्रॉब्लम हो गई थी.
beta, then mute yourself. And if you have any question, use chat option. Okay. Okay, guys. Moving towards part C, and you are going to solve it for me. Part C is -10 whole cube. So, guys, solve it for me. Abdullah Tajammul, solve it.
जी.
Solve it for me. Part C. Abdullah Tajammul, Suhaib Saqib, Fasi, Abdullah Ali, Hasnan, Bahaj, Omar Faisal, Talal Shahid. All of you solve it, and the person who will do it first will get 2 marks in the test.
माइनस
Person,
1000.
-1000. Very good. Why -1000? Because it means we need to multiply -10 3 times. So we can write it like this: -10, then multiply -10, then multiply -10, and we can write it like this: -10, -10, -10. And how many negative signs we have altogether?
-30.
3
Beta, galat jawab. They are not adding basically. They are multiplying each other. ठीक है?
माइनस 1000 सर.
How many negative sign?
Sir, -1000.
3.
So is 3 an odd number or even number? 3 is odd number, so the final answer
Odd.
would be negative. 3 is an odd number, so the final answer would be negative. Now you need to solve -6 whole cube for me. Now you need to solve -6 whole cube for me. Jaldi, jaldi, jaldi. -6 whole cube for me. Jaldi, jaldi. Hurry up, guys, hurry up. I need the solution.
जी.
-6 whole cubes mean how many times we need to multiply -6 with each other?
सर आंसर इज 216.
First of all, you
Minus.
need to tell me how many times should we multiply -6? How many times should we multiply -6?
3.
Sir,
3.
-2 and 2.
It means we can write it like this: -6 multiply by -6 multiply by -6. So -6
Sir,
-6
-2 and 2.
-6, and what would be the answer? Positive or negative? Because we have three
Negative.
negative signs. Very good. -216. Got it?
216.
Minus 216.
Yes, 216. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you need to tell me the square root of 25. Tell me the square root of 25. Quickly, quickly. Square root of 25. Who will tell me the square root of 25? Beta,
Sir, answer is 600 and 665.
beta, I'm asking you.
Positive.
I'm asking you to find the square root of 25. Means you need to find the square root of 25. You need to find this value. But yeah, I know. Don't worry. Under root 25. You need to find the value of under root 25. Hurry up, guys.
Sir, 5.
5 is not the solution. 5 is a step. We can write it like this. देखो. 5 into square, and square will be cancelled with the square root sign, so the final answer would be 5. So the square root of 25 is basically 5 only,
Yes,
not
sir.
5. Okay? Now tell me the square root of 196. Tell me the square root of 196. Hurry up.
सर कितने का?
196.
Sir, I can't hear you. What you saying?
Beta, you can see it on the screen that you need to find the square root of 196. You need to find the square root of 196. Hurry up, guys. Hurry up, guys. Abdullah Tajammal.
Sir, 98.
Wrong. I'm asking you to find the square root of 196. Square root, not the half. I'm asking you to find the square root of 196. It means first of all you need to find the prime factors of 196. So what would be the prime factors of 196? Start. 196 is an even number, so we should divide it by 2, so the answer would be 98. 98 is also an even number, so we should divide it by 2, so the answer would be 49. 49 is a multiple of 7, so we should divide it by 7, and the answer would be 7. And 7 times 1 equals to 7. It means the prime factors of 196 are 2 by 2 by 7 by 7. So we can write it like this. 2 by 2 by 7 by 7. Okay? And we can write it like this. 2 times 2.
2 की पावर 2, 7 की पावर 2.
Very good. 7 whole to the power 2. And finally we can write it like this. 2 by 2, 2 by 7 equals to 40. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Now you need to solve one more question for me, and that is you need to find the square root of 12. Hurry up. You need to find the square root of 12. You need to find the square root of 12. Hurry up. Abdullah Tajamul, solve it for me. Under root of 144. Abdullah Tajamul, solve it for me. Under root 144.
सर
जी जी बोलिए. Beta, square root of 144. Who will tell me the answer of this question? Who will tell me the answer of this question? Hurry up, guys, hurry up. Abdullah Tajammul, Suhaib Saqib, Fasi Abdullah Ali, Bahaj Talal Shahib. Beta, you need to find the square root of 144. You need to find the square root of 144.
आप किस चीज को देख रहे हो उसको?
ओके सर
वो तो समझो बेटा, वो तो समझो, इसको नहीं देखो तार को।
Square root of 144. Hurry up, Abdullah Tajammul, jaldi.
मुझे नहीं आ रही तो पूछो।
Abdullah Tajammul.
सर 2 की पावर 5 और 3 की पावर 2
2 की power 5. No, that is wrong. One 144 is an even number, so we should divide it by 2, so the answer would be 72. 72 is also an even number, so we should divide it by 2, so the answer would be 36. 2 divided by 18 equals to 36. Then 2 divided by 9, 2 multiplied by 9 equals to 18. Then 3 divided by 3, 3 multiplied by 9 equals to 3 divided by 9 equals to 3. And finally,
2 की पावर 4 और 3 की पावर 2
very good, means 2 की power 2 multiplied by 2 की power 2 multiplied by 2 की power 2. So we can write it like this. We can write it like this: 2 की power 2 into 2 की power 2 into 3 की power 2, and we can write it in this term: 2 की power 2, 2 की power 2, 3 की power 2. And we can further write it like this: 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, and so the final answer would be equals to 12. Got it?
12
Got it now?
yes sir I got it
Okay. So guys, you need to complete the homework by 2C, up to 2C by tomorrow, so I can check it. Okay guys, see you tomorrow inshallah ta'ala. Khuda Hafiz.
okay sir thank you Allah Hafiz
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Khuda Hafiz.